Hey guys, this is Karthikeya Kantwal from Apex Finserv and I'm back with your daily dose of charts for tomorrow's trading session. Tomorrow is the expiry, so we'll be trading a bit cautiously. But let's see what do we have in store actually. Starting with the first trade that we have is a really simple pullback trade on HCL Tech, where we have observed, of course, clear higher low formation to high. But even after that, even after the recent sell-off, it has very quickly broken the recent swing high and moved on like 20 points, which is like 2% for HCL. So we're going to go for a simple long trade at pullback at 910, which happens to be the previous swing high. Stop loss at 898, just under 900. Ideal targets 1% on the upside. Moving on to the second one is a long again on Tata Steel. If you see, it has completely retraced the entire sell-off that it had from about 625 all the way till 590, 590 till 621 again. So we're gonna go for a simple long at an established demand zone at 605. Stop loss at 598. Ideal targets 1% on the upside. The third one that we have is Bharti Airtel. Similar reason to Tata Steel, it has retraced the entire fall and there's an established demand zone plus confluence of a big round number psychological support level at 500. Stop loss at 492. Ideal targets 1% on the upside. The fourth one is Kotak Bank. Now, Kotak Bank has not exactly retraced the entire fall, if I put it like that, but it has shown clear sign of strength near this previous swing level of 1900. That is exactly where we are planning to go for a longs. Now we could have gone longs above 1925 as well, break of previous swing high logic, but that is too aggressive. So we're going to go for a long at 1900, stop loss at 1875, ideal targets 1% on the upside. The final liquidity trade that we have is on BPCL. Now BPCL, to be honest, it has shown very little recovery, and if you look at it, it has stopped about roughly you can estimate around 45 to 50% of the retracement of the sell-off that happened a couple of days ago. So we're going to go for a short at the nearest swing point, demand turn supply zone at 385, stop loss at 390, ideal targets 1% on the downside. Now talking about the indices, since tomorrow is the expiry, I guess that is what most of you are waiting for. Talking about indices from the charts perspective, on Nifty, to be honest, you have a clear well-defined range of 13,540 all the way till 13,640. So it's a 100-point range, about 0.8 to 0.9%. Inside that range, you can go for aggressive trades, but the real money, to be honest, exists outside of that range. 13,640 ke upar you can go for a straight 100 points ka long, and 13,540 ke niche you can go for a straight 100 points ka short. Inside that range, I don't really expect healthy range candles or large explosive impulsive moves. However, when I talk about the option chain, one thing that I guess those of you who actually read the option chain or know how to observe or understand the option chain would have noticed that there's a hefty amount of call unwinding on Nifty, especially, which basically means that the road for the up move from this point onwards, at least for this expiry or tomorrow's trading session, the road for the up move is really clear. After 13,700, there's really nothing stopping it to go all the way back till all-time highs where it was basically. However, if 13,700 proves to be too strong a resistance, then we'll be back down till 13,600 or 13,500 even. If I want to quantify it, then the immediate resistance is 13,700 with 486,000 added contracts. Significant is 13,800 with negative change but total standing at 3 million, which is still quite a lot. On the support side, there's 13,600 with 1 million added contracts, which is quite hefty. Significant at 13,500 with 1.9 million added contracts. The PCR of volume, however, comes out to be at a bit moderate, not moderate, I guess it's regularly bearish at 0.96. But tomorrow is the expiry, so it's possible that this is a highly speculative participation. People have bought puts for tomorrow, expecting a gap down of some sort. Let's see what happens. To be honest, for me, short under 13,540, long about 13,640, keeping things really simple. Talking about the second index that we have, Bank Nifty. Similar to Nifty, you have a range, a really nice one here. You have a range from about 29,700 on the support side till about 30,000 on the upside. So it's a clear 1%, in fact slightly larger than 1% ka range on Bank Nifty if you compare the entire width. However, if you look at the current market price, which is 29,900-ish, then break of 30,000 can give really nice entry points all the way till 3250 or even 3300. On the downside, however, if 30,000 say you expect or not expect rather, but if you see selling pressure come off, you can go for aggressive shorts targeting 29,800 or 29,700 even. When I talk about the option chain for Bank Nifty, immediate resistance comes in at 30,000 itself with 153,000 added contracts. Significant comes in at 3,500 with 109,000 added contracts. The support side 29,800 with 350,000 added contracts. Significant at 29,500 with 353,000 added contracts. The PCR comes out to be at 0.93, which again, it's not aggressively bearish, it's moderately bearish, so nothing special there. Now this marks the end of today's video, guys. I hope you are able to make use of all the charts that we are sharing. Are you actually trading on it or not? I don't know, but I guess I would really like to know. So let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification icon as well. I hope you end this expiry, basically weekly expiry, on a really green note. And I also believe 25th of December is a trading holiday on the exchange, so I don't think there will be a video for Friday because of course Christmas. So a Merry Christmas in advance from me to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good night. Bye.